waking up alone. You left me here hours ago. Obsessively check my phone. Do you even know? Pick apart your every word, push it down like I'm unconcerned. I've been damaged and it shows. When can you tell?